Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. I'm here Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and turn those notifications on so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Also, don't forget to check out the description down below for links to the TipRanks mobile app for your Apple and Android device. This will allow you to stay up to date with all of the latest analyst ratings, market news, plus manage your smart portfolio on the go. Now, in this morning's video, we'll be discussing exciting stock market news, our biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. So here we go, starting off with stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red so far this morning, with Dow futures down 0.4%, S&P 500 down 0.46%, and NASDAQ futures down nearly 0.7% so far. Global equities are under pressure this morning as investors await the crucial U.S. inflation number, which is expected to come out this morning. Colonial Pipeline, who had to shut down their operations last Sunday due to a cyber attack, said that it will know by late Wednesday whether it is safe to restart operations of their gasoline and diesel flow. The shutdown has led to shortages and panic buying of gasoline down in the South. Alphabet is expanding Google Pay to include international money transfers. Users of Google Pay will now be able to send money to other Google Pay users in India and Singapore as part of the new feature. The service has been made possible with the integration of Western Union and Wise. Plans are underway to make it possible for Google Pay users to send money to people in more than 200 countries via Western Union and to people in more than 80 countries via Wise. The Alphabet stock does come in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of 22%. American fashion retailer L Brands plans to split into two publicly traded companies in a restructuring move that they hope will bring long-term value for investors. The split will result in Victoria's Secret, a lingerie and beauty retailer, and Bath & Body Works, a specialty fragrance retailer, becoming independent publicly traded companies. L Brands plans to process the Victoria's Secret spin-off in a manner that will avoid tax consequences for its shareholders. L Brands had previously considered selling before it chose to spin off the lingerie brand. It expects to complete the transaction in August of 2021. Alongside the split announcement, L Brands said it expects to report strong first quarter earnings. The L Brands stock currently comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of about 8%. Price targets coming in yesterday and today range from 3% all the way up to 37% potential upside. Shares of Domtar Corporation jumped yesterday on the news that they agreed to be acquired by Paper Excellence for $3 billion. This represents a 44% premium to Domtar's 30-day volume-weighted average price as of May 3rd. The transaction is expected to close in the second half of 2021. Domtar provides fiber-based products such as communication, specialty, and packaging papers, as well as absorbent hygiene products. Paper Excellence, which is headquartered in British Columbia, Canada, manufactures pulp and specialty printing, writing, and packaging papers. The transaction will expand Domtar's financial assets, customer base, and product portfolio, while giving Paper Excellence the opportunity to enter the U.S. market and accelerate its growth strategy. The Domtar stock does come in as a moderate buy, but after yesterday's jump of over 16%, most of those price targets are coming in a little low and now has an average downside of 19%. Investors of Alexon Pharmaceutical have voted in favor of the company being acquired by AstraZeneca. The addition of Alexon is expected to strengthen AstraZeneca's revenue profile and will be immediately accretive to its core earnings. The acquisition is valued at $39 billion and, pending regulatory approvals, is expected to close in the third quarter of 2021. The Alexon Pharma stock comes in as a hold currently with an average upside potential of 7%. Now, taking a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer so far this morning, which is Minerva Neurosciences. Under the ticker NERV, they're currently up 27%. Followed by Fubo TV under the ticker FUBO, who's up 21.5%, following an 8% gain yesterday. And Upstart Holdings, under UPST, currently up 19%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Array Technologies. Under the ticker ARRY, they're currently down 25%, followed by Sonam Technologies under SONM, currently down 18%, and CuriosityStream under CURI, currently down over 12%. Moving over to notable earnings reports. Starting off with fashion retailer Aritzia, who announced their fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2021 results. The company did post lower revenues and profit than a year earlier, as lockdowns forced the company to close stores. Aritzia's revenue for the fourth quarter came in at $267.5 million Canadian, which was a decrease of nearly 3% versus the prior year. The company had to temporarily close 39 out of 101 stores for most of the quarter. Their e-commerce revenue grew 81% relative to the fourth quarter of 2020. Their adjusted net earnings amounted to 16 cents Canadian per diluted share, which was down from 21 cents per share in the fourth quarter of the year-ago period. Their stock does come in as a strong buy based on 4 analyst ratings, with an average growth potential of 21%. We also heard from the aerospace manufacturing company TransDigm Group, who beat earnings and revenue estimates in the fiscal second quarter. However, both their top and bottom line numbers declined year over year due to the negative impact stemming from the pandemic. The company's net sales of $1.19 billion did surpass the street's estimates of $1.17 billion, but declined over 17% from the year-ago period. Their earnings decreased nearly 50% to $2.58 per share, again beating the consensus estimates of $2.51 per share, but their EBITDA for the period decreased 23% year-over-year to $519 million. The TransDigm Group stock does come in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of 14%. The most recent ratings from yesterday and today range from 11% to 26% upside potential. Also this morning, we're expecting to hear from Wix.com, Veru Incorporated, and Wendy's. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Grow Generation, Tattooed Chef, and Sonos Incorporated. So that is everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before the market opens. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you back here next time.